Okay, so the Pixel, this is the basic Pixel 10. Literally just got delivered. Probably my very first unboxing ever. I'm not going to go through the whole setup process. This is mostly just for people interested in the actual product. And of course I can't take it out. It looks so much easier when other people do it, but what the heck is going on? Draco, can you help me? My dog just walked in. What the heck is going on? Did I get a defective mono? Oh, okay, there it goes. Oh my goodness. Yeah, that wasn't as smooth as everyone else does. So this is the 256 model. And I'm also not going to go through all the other stuff that comes in it because, I mean, really. When I was watching unboxing of the Indigo, how awesome would a color like this be? Kind of like a faded blue instead of the bright blue that this has. Oh, and it comes with this. Maybe block this. Oh, I don't know. It's just for the website. You no longer need a physical SIM card. Activate your eSIM during phone setup. So for someone who switched to eSIM with the iPhone 15 series, I have no problem with this. But for people that are coming from regular phones with eSIM, regular physical SIMs, yeah, this might be a bit of a hassle. But for those of us who switched at the iPhone 15 era, we already went through the whole hassle of switching to eSIM. So this is it. And this is my pop socket that I use for every single phone. Every single iPhone. Well, no, I would say every single phone because pretty much all my phones I get MagSafe cases. So look nice. Does this not look exactly like the iPhone 16 and Plus blue? It looks exactly like it, which I don't mind at all. I was very envious for people who got that 16 blue color. I think it's probably one of the greatest colors ever on a phone, and I'm glad the Pixel has it now. So it's pretty strong for just I want this video to be pretty quick. So for anyone out there who's interested in the strength of their MagSafe, I'm going to say MagSafe. I'm not going to call it G2 because I'm American and I don't like change. This is my charger, wireless charger. I always have like half the time these things, they only apply or work really well with iPhones. That's what they're designed for. So sometimes I know with my S24, when I had a MagSafe case, this thing would kind of block the bottom lens on the left side here. But I mean, I guess Pixel in the long run, their little visor here works out really, really well for MagSafe items. Oh, and I accidentally turned it on. Oh, because I have it charged. Duh. Oh, I think I accidentally... Okay, well, it says this is it. I'm going to do a little... So today is Thursday, August 28th. So this weekend, I'm going to do a... like a more in-depth camera review. And when I say review, I'm just going to take a lot of videos and a lot of pictures and show them to you guys, and you get to decide whether or not this phone is worth an upgrade or switching over from iPhone or Samsung. You guys could decide. It's really nice, but coming from phones that have a more matte back, it does feel a little odd. But I don't know. This is like a first world problem where you could just get a rag and clean it. And already there's a lot of smudges on the front screen. So if you're thinking about picking one of these up, highly recommend a fingerprint proof screen protector, matte screen protector. Because these things, yeah, if it bugs you, yeah, I would say I would get one of those or stay away from this phone. Okay, so I'll leave it here. And And yeah, hopefully the weekend will bring a lot of nice pictures and examples for you guys out there who are interested in this phone.